Hey, and welcome to the last video of the Facebook Domination Formula module. In this video, we will be talking about types of content. And obviously, the two types of content on Facebook are videos and photos, but I want to show you specific ways in how you can find good videos and photos for your account. Where can you get content from? There are three ways you can get content. Other big names in the niche. So you search for other people in the same niche as you and you just take some of their content and post it as yours. But don't take the content that they have created. If they have posted content that isn't theirs, then you can take that content and also upload it to your page. That means the content isn't copyrighted and you can use it. The next one is YouTube. If you want to search for interesting viral videos in your niche, just go to YouTube. And if you want to search for good looking photos about your niche, then go on Instagram. There's 3 steps to finding great content on Facebook from other people. And you have to first find someone in the same niche. Then you have to search for their most liked photos and videos. And then you have to just download it and upload it to your page. So let me show you how you can do that. So first off, I want to show you the website which we are going to use in order to download videos from Facebook. This is the website fbdown.net. So now let me show you how do we find good content. I'm going to search for, let's say we are still in the fitness niche. Now we want to search bodybuilding page from which we can get content. So I just typed building motivation in the search bar and then I clicked on pages, and now we can find a lot of interesting pages. As you can see, this one has 1.3 million likes, and you can build a following like that in a year with the methods that I showed you. So anyways, let's go into the page. So let's say you're in the fitness niche. Now you can download this picture of The Rock, download this picture of Arnold, you can download this picture of Phil Heath. You can now, as you can see, this is a viral video. So tag a friend with imaginary lat syndrome. There are 2 ways we can share this content on our page. We can click here on share, and then we can click on share on a page you manage. We can choose our fitness page, for example. I created one, Bar Brigade. This is just for example purposes. I'll just share it on our page. But what will happen is you're going to be able to see that we just shared it from another page. And what we want to do is have our own content. So we can just click on the video, and now, as you can see, it's in full screen mode. We can just take the URL, copy it, and then go to fbdown.net, click on download, and it will be downloaded to your computer. Now what you have to do is just go to your Facebook page and click on share a video. So now if I want to share that video on my page, I'm gonna click on add a photo or a video to your post. Then I'm just gonna select it from my computer and I'm gonna upload it, and that's how you create content on Facebook. That's how everybody creates content on Facebook. So let me show you other methods to get great content. Other way is to get content from YouTube. Find viral videos in your niche, download it with you can just type in the Google YouTube downloader, download the video and upload it to your page the same way I showed you. So now, how do you find viral videos in your niche? So let's say you're in the fitness niche. What is usually viral in the fitness niche? Funny videos or a guy just lifting very heavy weights. So let's say we want to search for a funny video. We just go on YouTube and search fitness funny videos, and we see the ones that have the most views. Then we download them and we upload them to our page. How do you get content from Instagram? Mainly, you have to search for photos there, because Instagram is the best place to search for photos in my opinion. Don't search for stock photos that you find online. It's not nice. They don't look nice. So basically you find other accounts in your niche, or as I showed you, you can also download photos from Facebook pages that are in the same niche as you. But let's say you want to get content from Instagram. You just find the same way I showed you. You find a page in your niche. You look at their most liked posts, most liked photos. That means that those photos have some virality to them. So now you download those photos and you upload them to your picture. And just type in Google Instagram downloader, and you can find a downloader that can download Instagram pictures. So it's so simple I don't even have to show you how to do it because it's very simple. You can do it. So this is it for finding different types of content and how to find them. I hope you enjoyed this module. It is the last video of the Facebook domination formula module, and in the next module we will be discussing Twitter. So meet me there.